Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you VASTEND, Fastened Rear View Camera System. This is a wireless solar-powered 7 inches 1080p monitor and rear view camera system. And the bad thing is, it is magnetic rear view camera. And it's wireless. That means we do not have to take drills into our chassis. We do not have to get cables laid down through the interior or something else. Wireless, baby. With 10,000 mAh battery. It supports up to 4 camera systems or cameras. Wireless cameras. This is for the caravan, for the truck, for SUVs, for car and RVs. 1 minute quick installation. Because the wireless solar rear view camera with built-in magnetic base that can attach to any metal surface without drilling or wiring. We're installing a rear view camera in our car, and this will only cost us 1 minute and saves us so time and cost for installation. And we have an F10 solar charging system. The wireless parking aid camera has a large-scale solar panel, so it can capture more sunlight and maximize the efficiency of the solar charging. It is also equipped with a 10,000 mAh battery, which offers an extremely long operation time for over 30 hours. Wow, I'm impressed. And you see, the operation does only need 3 watts. The rear view camera uses the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi transmission without image interferences or delays, or nearly no delays. And it can effectively reduce the risk of traffic accidents. The signal can be transmitted over an open area up to 500 meters if it is necessary. 500 meters is a really long road train, isn't it? And with a 7 inches and a 1080p wireless camera system here, because the rear view camera has an HD image sensor and a 1080p color chip to reproduce the trusted colors and provide us with a color true widescreen and a clear video of everything behind our car. Or where we are docked, of course, because the dockable possibility is where a magnetic surface will be. So you can get it there and let it rest on the right, on the left, on the front, on the rear, or where you need it on or in your car. In, of course, is another, because you does not have so much solar power in the interior area, but you can reload it by using a USB-C cable, of course. We take care of our safety and that of our family and friends. And it's IP69 waterproof and super night vision. The rear view camera is waterproof, that has an improved sealing materials to withstand all weather conditions. In addition, it is equipped with an infrared night vision LEDs, which provide the clear images, even in the darkness. And we have loop recording. The rear camera has a built-in high-performance chip. It supports loop recording. After we inserting an SD card, so we can realize the function of the loop recording. And video playback. It is supported in a maximum storage capacity of 512 GB. It comes to us without a memory card because of the main feature will be the rear view camera as well. But if you like to record it, no problem, of course. Get the SD card, get the cover out of the monitor system and have a recording stuff done. It's the fast solar power magnetic DVR loop recording, DIY, 150 degrees wide angle IP67 waterproof 1080p HD IR night vision possible rear monitor system. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give a positive feedback to see again on my channel. So.